4 months ago, everything I had for this dream disappeared in one night. I honestly didn't know if this journey would ever happen. But today, everything changes. Hello guys, this is Wei. Today is a very special day. And why is that? Because today I'm going to pick up my new bike. Finally. So I'm getting an Uber right now to go to the dealership, and I'll show you guys the bike in a bit. Alright guys, I've just arrived at the dealership. Look at these beautiful Ducatis. Gorgeous. Now let's go get my bike.
This is your stuff here. Let me just make sure. Yep, that's you. Actually, perfect.
Ready to see my new bike? So yeah, I bought the same bike as the one that burned down before, just in a different color. This one is the Royal Enfield 2026 rally version of Himalayan 450 Mana Black. I was actually gonna get the older version because I thought it would be cheaper, but somehow this newer version was cheaper than the older one, so I was like, why not? Hello guys, right now I'm at public storage. Obviously after what happened, I'm not gonna park my bike outside of the house again. So I've rented a storage room to store my bike. It's been a bit over a month since I got this new motorcycle, and for the past month I've been riding it, testing it, and install all the accessories, which I'll show you guys in a second. And I've also got its first service done just a couple days ago. So if everything goes as planned, I'm expecting to hit the road next week. Pretty excited. Alright, let's go through what I've done to this bike since I got it. First, I've replaced these mirrors to more durable and wider angle double take mirrors, so they'll give me better vision of the road. And the taller windshield from Royal Enfield that will block more wind for me. And the headlight grille that's also from Royal Enfield to protect the headlight from rocks, bushes, or whatever item that might cause damage to the headlight. Also, these fog lights, the OEM high beam in my opinion is just a little bit too weak. That's why I added this fog lights to feel more safe in darker environments, even though I will most likely to avoid riding in the nights, but just in case, And these jerry cans from RotopaX. Red one for petrol and white one for clean water. And the top box from Viking Bags that was double key locks, so I can put my valuable items in this box with more peace of mind. And I've also removed the crotch bars, the skid plate, and the luggage racks from my old burned Himalayan 450, repainted them and put them on this new Hemi. As you can see, they are in different colors. That saved me a little bit more money. That's it. I'm pretty much done with everything I needed to install. Now I'm just waiting for my panniers and the phone mount to arrive, which I've already ordered. Then I'm ready to go. Alright guys, so I've just received all my quad lock products. So this is the quad lock phone mount, the case, the wireless charger, the USB adapter, and the vibration dampener, and a little gift from quad lock. I had this exact set mounted on my old bike, which I lost in the fire, so I had to buy every single of these items again for my new bike. So quad lock, if you're seeing this, please consider to sponsor me, because I'm a loyal fan of the brand. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. In the next episode, we'll finally be on the road. I'm Wei, and this is Two Wheels One Way. I'll see you on the road.